today's Winter Tries Friday episode, we're gonna try something super exciting. This is a Blackhead vacuum remover kind of device. I got this off Ayuga, and the reason why I got it is because there's a magnifying video camera inside that actually records everything. And yeah, I was just super curious on how it works because I have tried such Blackhead vacuums before and there's no camera, so this one actually has camera on, so we're gonna link everything up and we're gonna see how well it works. So right off the bat, I have super oily skin, and Blackhead is basically something that I'm forced to live with. My nose are always plagued with blackheads, and I'm gonna show you guys how disgusting it is because no matter how I try to exfoliate, how I try to do a clay mask, how I try to squeeze everything out, it just comes back. And sometimes even if I don't touch it, I know there are people who say don't touch your blackheads, it will just disappear. If I don't touch it, it would just get so clogged up that it will come out by itself. You can see the tip coming out of the pore, and it's just major gross, and we don't want any of that. So today we're gonna use this Blackhead suction device to get everything out. So I got this off Ayuga, and basically Ayuga is kind of like a local brand that sells a lot of great products at a fraction of the price because they kind of eliminate the middleman costing. And this is the Blackhead device that they have. It comes with the machine here with one attachment, and then in the box there's also 5 different attachments that you can choose from and a cable to charge the item. So I haven't charged this yet, but it still works, so I'm not gonna bother to charge it. So the instruction manual is here, and there's a QR code inside here where you have to scan to download the app so that you can get the video recorded into your phone. So now I'm just going to link the product into my phone and we can get started. So before we start, I just wanted to zoom you guys in to show you guys how my nose looks like. So this is the current pore situation on my nose. So now that the device is connected, it shows the video on my phone right here. So I'm just gonna record to show you guys how my nose looks like the pore situation. Oh my god, look at all my blackheads. I look like a strawberry. I don't know why my pores are so disgusting. So I'm just gonna show you guys the suction. So setting 1, setting 2, and setting 3. So setting 3 is the strongest, and I'm just gonna start with setting 2 first, and we can see how it goes. So let's do this. Whoa. Okay. Dude, it's legit sucking out all my gum. Ew, oh my god. So it kind of left my nose a little bit red because I think I held it there for a little bit too long. So let's try to move this a little quickly. Whoa, do you see that? Wow. It actually works. Oh, that's a big one. Wow. It's disgusting, guys. That one is a large one. Okay, so after going all over my nose, it is slightly red. So I guess the trick is not to hold it for too long and try not to use the strongest because apparently it kind of damages your capillaries. It's not too good for your skin. So yeah, this is just for video purposes. But wow, my nose looks really red right now. So I'm gonna try it on my chin. Not much. Not as much as the nose. I'm gonna show you guys how gross this is right now. You'll be surprised. Look at the gunk, my gosh. So I think I kind of left it a little bit too long on my chin, so right now my chin is red as well. So I guess guys, please be a little bit gentle on this. So I'm gonna change the attachment to this elongated one. I think it has an angle so it can help me to get into places better. This time around I'm just going to use the first setting because I don't want it to go too crazy. So this is the situation on my forehead. Not a lot of blackheads, but it's mostly kind of open pore. So I'm just gonna use the first setting. That's my hair. Yeah, nothing much, guys. Honestly, there's not much blackheads on my forehead, so nothing is really showing. Let's try the nose again. That's a big one. This elongated one is not as easy to use as the rounded head.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh my god, shit guys. I think I left it a little bit too long on this area because there's a giant blackhead here that I wanted to get out, and now I'm scarred. God, look at how red it is. I hope it goes away after a while. This is the second nozzle. Also super gross. Like, look at what's inside. Like, look, ew. Wow. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how my nose looks like after going one round with this Blackhead vacuum remover, and look at the difference in my pores. Wow, I'm actually pretty impressed because it managed to like clear up all the gunk in my pore. It is not as clogged as before. I shouldn't be touching my face right now. So after sucking out all my blackheads, I think I'm just going to tone my face. So I'm using this Brain Green Artemisia Calming Balance Toner. So I just want to like balance and calm the suctioned area so that I don't break out, and this will help to keep everything nice and moist so that they can heal from the entire experience. So overall verdict of this Blackhead vacuum suction, I will give this a 9 out of 10 because I think it really works, and with the right techniques you can actually help to get rid of your blackheads, although it's not advisable by a lot of like experts because you've kind of damaged your skin like what I did here. It is just for video purposes because usually if I do it at home I do it way faster, so just to create this video I have to slow my motion down a bit. So yeah, I kind of got like a few bruises which will go away in like 1 week. So yeah, if you are using this, I would highly recommend doing it in a super fast motion, and that will actually help to suck out the blackheads without damaging your skin barrier. I think this is a wonderful product. It is really something that's really fun to use at home. So if you guys are always squeezing with your dirty fingers, you can actually consider using this. You just need proper hygiene and proper use, and try to use the lowest setting. I know it's very tempting to use like the highest setting thinking that it can suck everything out, but don't damage your skin, so just use the lower setting if you really need to. And yeah, it works, so I'm gonna give credit for this product. So if you're interested, I'll link this blackhead remover device down in the description box below. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little ASMR Winter Tries Friday video. I've been dying to film this video because ever since I bought this and received this in my mail, I was like obsessed with like getting all my blackheads out. Look, this is my skin now. I damaged this part. Oh my god. Oh. Hope it disappears. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!